Hi, I'm Fiona.
And I'm Mark. We're renovating with Summit.
Going to add a second story onto our lovely home. Decided we needed to renovate because we have 3 young boys, late primary and early high school. They just need more space to hang out with their friends and away from their parents. This home is a 1935 California bungalow. Previous owners have extended it on about 15 years ago. We moved in about 8 years later.
And we think they did a fantastic job of the existing renovations and would like to sort of extend that upwards and take that same idea, still keep the old character of the old house, but with some modern sensibilities.
We have 4 bedrooms in the current home. 2 of the boys are together in the same room while Mark has a study. That's not going to work in the future. So we're putting an extra study/bedroom upstairs, and then the extra space for the breakout for the kids to be able to hang out.
And I think for us, that breakout area is really important because we want them to be able to work there and also play there.
We absolutely love our home and love the area we're in. So it took us 2 years to find this home. We just didn't want to move. Yeah, we love it. The next best thing was to make it better for our future by adding another story on. Wembley's just such an awesome suburb. The kids are at the local schools, both primary and high school. We both work from home but also work in the city, so you can't fault the location. You've been here for...
Since my 20s?
Yeah, that's a long time ago.
Yes, it's been a while.
So yeah, we definitely didn't want to move, yeah. It's really hard to ignore Summit in Wembley suburb. There's Summit signs all over the place. Lots of people seem to build in Summit. We also have a strong community Facebook page that people go to for suggestions, so I put something on there and lots of people came back with Summit. So we didn't actually look at anyone else, did we? The thing about going to an established builder like Summit was in the current environment, there's so many stories about long builds, not able to get tradesmen, shonky work, and we didn't see that with Summit, and you seem to have own builders and own people. I'm looking forward to the boys being able to have somewhere to have their friends over. It was quite interesting when our eldest brought some of his 13-year-old friends over, and the house was too small. And that's just the start of it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing them hanging out and having space, breakout space that they can just enjoy and be themselves. Yeah.